Alright everyone, this is Cindy and we're working on week 6, number 2. We're doing the tags and journaling cards for week 2, number 2. And these are, I keep putting them like that, but she intends them to be side pockets like that. So anyway, we need something here, and either something here or, yeah, something there. So anyway, I did pre-cut everything because once again I've lost my trimmer. How do you lose a trimmer? It's not like it's small like a postage stamp or something like that. I mean, losing needles I understand, but a trimmer, I don't know. Anyway, I went ahead and pre-cut on my guillotine, so we'll see how far we get, and yeah, let's go. So I'm going to start here on my iPad right behind. I don't think you can see it. Okay, anyway, my first pockets, they're small. I mean, not pockets, journaling cards are small. They're like 3.5 inches by, I think I did 2. And what she did was she used one of her punches that cuts out like a name tag type thing. And then she used it just as a decoration like that. So that's what we're gonna do. And we're gonna try to make sure the words aren't upside down. So anyway, I already had that one cut out and already had it inked. And where did I put my glue? It's over here. Okay, so she had to cover, she chose some dark cardstock for her, so she had to put some paper on the back for writing space, but I think I don't have to do that too often on mine, so we'll see. I think the next 2 I'm getting ready to make, I do have to do that on. So let's try to get that centered. Nope, I went the other way around. Okay. So it goes in there, and then let's move this out of the way. I've got 2 more, and this is green, so it's going to need something on the back. Well, she just took some, blank paper and tore it, and I thought I'm going to use my decal scissors because it takes less time, and you get sort of the same effect, just a torn edge. Okay, now ink that. Let's go ahead and do the one for this one. See if I can guess right enough. Nope, doesn't work. So we're just putting backings on these, and I'll put my scissors and my backing paper over there. And I think, I'm not sure if she rounded the corners on all of them or not, because I'll confess, I put the video on and then she starts making something, and then I start grabbing supplies to make my own, and I miss part of what she does, but it doesn't matter. If I want to round my corners, I can round my corners. So I think we need to get that punch on there first and then make a decision. So, okay, now the punch. Let's go ahead and do the Merry Christmas one paper since I got it here. Get it in there. You're wasting my time. Okay. I don't like these plastic things, and if I could get that one off, I would. I like being able to see exactly what I'm punching. Okay, put you over here, out of the way for a minute. This is going to be a tight one to make. 15 minutes. It's going to be iffy. And it's probably going to, my alarms go off and I'm going to jump. I'm in the middle of doing something. Okay, let's see. Glue. I think instead of doing a timer, which counts down 15 minutes, I should have it on the stopwatch that just tells me how many minutes I've done. It's like running a race, Tells you how many minutes. Oops, I really want that to be right side. Words on the right side. Stuff like that. Okay, so, all right, we got those pockets. Now let's work on the middle pockets. And I started on those a little bit. And I got the right size. It's gonna go in there. So I have that I had 2 of them cut. So this one's not cut, but it won't take long. I'll just put that one up to it and trim it off. Okay, let's see where one of them go. I'm missing one. Okay, we're missing one. There it is. It's hiding under there. Okay, so we need, this one's already got a topper cut out. And I don't think I need anything on the back of these. So, well, I've got 2 again. I think I confused it. I probably grabbed it and made something out of it, knowing me. So let's go ahead and get these 2 done. And if I find it, I'll finish it. If not, we'll cut another one. But yep. One thing about this challenge is, you know, you shouldn't have a lot of supplies out, but I have a lot of supplies. Ah, there it is. I have a lot of supplies out. So, let's make a snowman. Wait, let's cut another couple of them if I can. I think that was it. Okay. That up. Okay. I didn't round corners, did I? Okay, we'll do that at the end. Okay, now the last one is one that goes in either this way, yeah. So mine are red, and I'm not sure if that's light enough to write on the back. So maybe I'll make some backing for them. I still, nope, this one's up on the top because it's going up straight. It's not on there straight. Jeez, come on. Okay, I have to cut out 2 more. Okay, do that. No time to talk. I have to breathe. I'm running a race here. I think the 3 and 15 challenge really needs to be adapted for the journaling cards and pockets, because it's definitely not 3. You're filling 3 pockets, but you're making a whole lot more stuff. So it needs to be like the 30 and, not 30, 9 and 20 minutes or something, I don't know. So And of course, we're going to go back later and put decorations on these. Okay, so those are done, except I was going to put something on the back, maybe. Okay, what do I do with those decal scissors? Got them out of the way. These are just pages from an old book I threw out so that it was blank on one side. Just kind of guesstimating there. Okay, that works pretty good. One of these I made a little wider than the other two. A little skinnier. Okay. Those pieces out of the way. Put these up. If you don't want to do the challenge, the 3 and 15 minutes is definitely, you should take part just to get the ideas of the different tags and pockets. Okay, now let's see how many corners we can get rounded. 4 times up. Is this the small one or the big one? I never know. The small one, I think. Oops. Nope, this is the big one. Okay, I prefer the small one, I think. Okay, so here's this pocket with that behind it, and then this one in pocket 1 or 2, whichever way you want to count, and then this one in the small pocket. Okay, so that's one done. Now the next one, put this behind, and goes in the small pocket. I'm missing that one just wants to stay missing, doesn't it? And here's the other, there it is. Good night. Doesn't want to stay in that pocket. Okay, it goes there. And then the last one is that. And then this. This goes in the top pocket. The middle pocket, and bottom pocket. Okay, that thing to use. Don't fall out. Okay, so there is our 3 pockets and cards. And a few scraps left over. Okay, so we made this challenge with about 1.5 minutes to go. So, wow, I tried not to cheat too much on this one, so I was a little bitter, but I was also a little rushed. So anyway, I'll see you guys in the next challenge. Bye. Hit that button, and now hit the other one.